Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use download attribute. So when the user click an image, he can download this image. So let me get started. So I will add this image, but first we will use a link, and the link is the directory for the image 1.jpg, and the download attribute will be used with the link. So let me see. So here is the image, and once it got clicked, we can just zoom in and out. So let me try to open the page from another browser. For example, let me open it from Firefox. Not this page. So if we click the picture, we can save the picture. Nice. So that's how you can allow the user to download a picture from your website.